We all have lazy days, but that doesn't mean bland, boxed, or boring food. Here's one of my top 5 quick, no-brainer, go-to meals that I prepare for my family. It helps to have the chicken strips or frozen broccoli in the freezer and soy sauce and sesame oil in your pantry. You'll also need a chopped onion, a knob of ginger, a generous amount of garlic, 4 scallions, a large carrot, and the hot pepper is optional. I'll measure out the soy sauce and then I'll add a couple of tablespoons of brown sugar. This is my standard base sauce for any Asian-inspired meal. Also use it for beef and broccoli or Asian glazed salmon or pad thai. Sesame oil is made from sesame seeds and it will add a lovely nutty flavor to this meal. And also when you're buying sesame oil, choose one with no preservatives, chemicals or other oils in the ingredient listing. I've washed my chicken strips with the juice of a lemon and water and I've drained it. Now I'll add 2 tablespoons of green seasoning and baking soda. I find that baking soda gives it a nice bite, similar to that of the chicken you buy in the Chinese restaurants. Next, I've added a tablespoon of the garlic ginger paste and I'll mix it well to combine. Here I'm adding another tablespoon of that paste because I really do love garlic. To add even more flavor, I'm adding a couple of tablespoons of the soy sauce sesame oil mixture. In many chicken and broccoli recipes, the chicken is not seasoned or seasoned very well, and I can't imagine how bland that must taste, but today we're kicking it up a few notches. And because that garlic wasn't enough, I'll add another tablespoon of the garlic ginger paste to the sesame oil soy sauce mixture. To add some Caribbean heat and flavor, I'm adding a few slices of chopped habanero. If you don't like heat, you don't have to use it. But if you do, but you don't have access to habanero, chili flakes are a good substitute. Now that all the prep is completed, let's start cooking. In a wide pan over medium heat, add about 1 cup of hot water. Next, we'll add the broccoli florets, salt, we'll add the sliced carrot, and then we'll cover and steam for 2 to 3 minutes. We'll strain once they're cooked. The broccoli is bright green, tender but still firm. Next, we'll submerge the broccoli in ice cold water to stop the cooking process and to keep it a bright green color during and after cooking. Next, to the same pan, I'll add 4 tablespoons of oil. Then I'll add the chicken strips in a single layer and I will cook it until it's golden brown. Then I will flip and cook the other side until it gets some color as well. But I will not stir because that will cause the chicken to steam and not brown. Now that it has a lovely golden brown color, we will flip. And always remember that color equals flavor. The heat is on high and we'll cook the other side for 2 to 3 minutes. Now that it has a lovely golden brown color and it's cooked, we'll scrape up all the brown bits at the bottom of the pot because that's also flavor. Next in goes the sliced onion and the hot pepper and a little bit of the scallions, and you will stir well until the onion becomes translucent. Just for a minute or so. Next, I'll add 2 tablespoons of the soy sauce mixture to continue building that base flavor. The broccoli and carrot join the party and I'll stir it well to combine. I'll also finish it off with the remainder of the scallions and the soy sauce mixture. We'll stir it for 30 seconds to 1 minute more and we're done. There's exceptional flavor in the chicken. You have the crunch of the broccoli and the carrot, the slight saltiness of the soy sauce, lots of garlic, ginger, scallions, the perfect combination of flavors. Quick, healthy and delicious, and served with freshly steamed jasmine rice. It's sure to hit the spot. Please give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed today's meal prep or learned something new. Do leave me a lovely comment below, my friends. Tag me on social media if you try any of my recipes, and subscribe if you wish to see more. Until next time, bye bye.